you know, it's a lot in the way and there's a lot of stuff here. I think that for the purpose of keeping it clean, for the purpose of keeping it out of everybody's way, I think we're gonna cut it back.
Okay.
There's there's a few fruits that we're gonna lose, but we'll always get more fruits. There's always gonna be more plants to plant. And we've had a lot of cucumbers this year. So.
Yeah, absolutely. And can trimming it back, will that help to almost jumpstart new growth and
That's
new
right.
fruit as well?
That's right. We'll get some new fruits, we'll get some new growth, and that will be in a bushier way. So we'll be able to get some stuff that will let us keep it clean, but still get fruits.
Let us keep it clean.
That's right. See this right here? We've got a little twisted. You can tell that that's just damaged right there. We might as well just cut it at the stalk.
So we kind of hit it on the first cucumber plant. I'm seeing some discoloration on these as well. Is that just normal from being mature? And also, are there any telltale signs that a plant is maybe ready to be pulled out or, should sort of be taken out?
I would say that once the fruit set is starting to get towards the end of the vine, you're not seeing anything here except, odd, large leaves. It is natural, obviously. A plant will sort of sequester any damage or anything to these larger leaves and let them kind of fall off naturally. But we can help it out by getting these larger leaves out of the way and basically moving it back up. If all the fruit is at the end and it's just kind of starting to get limp, the fruit's starting to get smaller and smaller each time, chances are your cucumber's done. You'll want to just get a new one.
At that point,